Got one. Got one. Got one. Oh, got one. Alrighty guys, I think this is where we might get a big one. Dandy gang, what's going on guys? Today's episode is cold, it's snowy. I'm in this canyon, look at this place. Hopefully I can get out of here today. I'm on this mountain stream, hunting down some wild brown trout. I got my 308 with me. The usual arsenal of flies. If you guys are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Drop a like on today's video. If you want to use the same flies that I'm going to use in today's video, get them on my website, ddflies.com. Guys, it's February. A month away, maybe a month and a half. The fishing's going to start picking up. If you guys need to stock up on flies or you haven't tried any of my products yet, give me a shot. I tie everything myself, handmade flies, ddflies.com. Check it out, grab a few flies. You can look down at the bottom of the page at everyone else's fishing reports to kind of get an idea of what customers have had success on. So consider that. And additionally, if you guys want to connect on a little bit more of a thorough, detailed, personal level here on the channel, not only can you be subscribed, but on desktop, you'll see an option to join, become a member here on the channel. Just a few bucks a month. It's a good way to support what I'm doing. There's fishing reports, there's members only live streams, there'll be giveaways for members. So don't just be subscribed, become a member here on the channel, become an official gang member, and you'll have a badge next to your name so everyone can recognize you guys in the comments as one of the normal guys swinging by the channel. So with that being said, check that stuff out. If it's of interest to you guys, let's get to fishing. Wow, I'm shocked. That's a bad sign. Oh, thought I had one. Can feel bottom. Is that a fish? Nope. That's a rock. It's too deep. Oh man, I don't know if I can make it. This is like the deepest little trench. Whatever. Come on. I can barely get to the other side here. Barely. I'm gonna have to try to reel all the way to it. Might be able to reach this rod. I think I'm on it. I think I got it. Got it. Let's go. Got to get over into the calmer water. Boom. Got to be one in there. There's got to be one. Got one. Ooh, really nice brown trout. Really good one. Most of the fish in here are not giant, so this is a really nice brown trout. Oh, it came off. That's all right, we'll count that. Barbless hooks, guys. It's better for the fish, but you will lose some fish. But that's a really nice brown trout on the River Soldier. It's a good sign. Hooked one. That was a good, solid 12-incher. For this little mountain stream, that was nice. All right, guys, so we got to sneak up, kind of stay low here. Even go to a knee, see if there's anything hiding at the back of this pool. Boom. Super surprising. I'm almost shocked. Wow, that's really really surprising. I can't believe that. Look at this. This is an amazing area. I mean, if I was a trout, I'd be in here. Maybe something like that. I don't know. Oh, got one. Yes. It's a really nice one. Get up here. Oh, it came off. Unbelievable. That was another really nice one. Wow, nothing. Nothing. Got one. Got one. Nice one. Nice one. Really nice. Biggest of the day. Oh my God, no. Got it. Got it. Let's bring it over here. Let's bring it over here. Really nice brown trout. Wow. That's awesome. Third one of the day. Finally got one in the net. That's a great trout. Super cool looking fish. Oh no, 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 that's gone. Just can't leave a soldier behind, man. Gonna try to get this one. I broke that tree over there. If I can get it snagged on this and pull it maybe. And then if I can get it, gotta get under the fly like that. Okay, I got it. I got the soldier. I got it. I freaking got it. How about that? Never leave a soldier behind. That's a good river soldier. Got fresh knots. Everything's good to go. Let's see if we can get a giant one. Right off the corner. Nothing. Gotta cast further up in there. I gotta get further in there. Perfect. I don't know, I might have to nymph this spot. I might have to just put nymphs on. I know there's got to be some fish up in there. Wow, nothing. I'm really surprised. I'm shocked. I know it's getting down. I mean, it's got to be fish in there. It has to. Wow, I almost can't believe it didn't get eaten. I actually can't. I can't believe this. Maybe there's one big giant one that ate everything else. Got one. Might be a good fish. Not sure yet. Oh yeah, decent. Really decent one. Knew we had to get one in here. Man, I was hoping it was gonna be a really huge one, but it's a really nice one. Where's my net? Really nice one. See if we can land it. I got it. Really nice one.